EA Buy and Sell, how are you? Glad to be with you this afternoon. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We're here. Our company, our business is here to help you. We're not looking to do videos that ask you to pay money. We're here to give you free advice and help and tips. If you want to buy the full course, you can click on our website, EABUYANDSELL.com. But as far as our videos go, a lot of our videos are going to give you free tips into products that you should be buying to buy and sell, and different tips that you can use in your e-commerce business. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button and share it with people that you know. You know, one of the things about me is I like to give back. I've been spending years of my life falling many, many times in my e-commerce business. And, you know, it's difficult. We spend a lot of money. Some products make it, some products don't make it. Buy courses, some courses don't work, some courses work. And, you know, I'm tired of it. I'm tired of all the seminars. I'm tired of all the schedule and appointment. I'm tired of all the phone calls. I just want people to succeed, and I want to succeed, you know. So in my videos, I'm going to try to help you to find your perfect sweet spot. And if I can answer any questions, I'd be happy to. You know, you can always message me in the comments, but don't forget to click like and subscribe to EA Buy and Sell. Okay, so what I'm going to do is today I'm going to give you one product. I'll tell you something. I shouldn't be doing this. Obviously, the amount of money that you can make from this one product is insane. And you know, I found it very difficult. I remember I asked a guy one time, can you just give me the name of one product that I can buy and sell online and make a lot of money? And he was like, no, we don't do that. We don't give the products. That's our secrets. That's our KFC recipe that we don't give away, you know. And I was like, there's a lot of room in the market for other sellers. So today I'm going to do something beyond what I ever thought I would do. I always imagined myself charging $1,000 to give you the name of one product. But you know what? Today you're going to get it for free. Why? Because I want to help you. You say nobody wants to help others. You know, it's not true. Maybe I'm a strange case, but I do want to help you. So I'm going to give you the name of one product today, but before I do, I'm going to explain how the profit margins work. In the link in the description, I'm going to include the links. The link to buy the product, and I'll give several links to buy different ones of these products in case one of them runs out. And then I'm going to tell you how to sell the product and at how much. Okay, so first thing is, where are we buying the product and for how much? Well, we're going to buy the product on eBay, and we're going to buy it for about somewhere in the neighborhood of $40 to $50. I don't want to say 40 because then you might see it at 42 and say, oh, he's lying. He said 40. You know, it's like we're gonna say between $40 and $50, and that's what we would normally find that product for on eBay. I'll share links with you so that you can know exactly what I'm talking about, where to buy the product. Just click the link, boom, you got it for $40 or $50, including tax, including shipping, okay? And there are sellers that I would recommend, and I'm gonna put that in the link as well, in the description as well, which sellers you should buy from. How do I know? Because I've bought from these sellers, and some of the sellers that sell this product are horrible. They won't ship it. If they do ship it, they'll take weeks. So the person that I'm going to give you the name of the product that they sell and they ship out in a decent amount of time, that's the one you want to click, okay? You want to try another one on your own, that's up to you, but I don't endorse people that hold back shipping, okay? So, 40 to $50, okay? So put that figure in your mind, lock that figure in your mind, $50 to buy the product. Now, where are we selling it? Selling it on Amazon. And how much do we sell it on Amazon for? We sell it on Amazon for $100. Amazon fee is 15%. right? 15% of $100 is, you got it, $15. So you subtract $15 from $100 and you're left with $85. $85 is what you're walking away with in Amazon money. Do you remember how much you're buying the product for? You're buying the product all in at $50. That's the max. So now you've just sold a product for $85. You bought it for $50. Your profit margin is $35. This product is hot. I was selling this product and still am in some areas for about 25 products a day. So just this one product, 25 products a day, $35 per profit per sale is $700 or $800 a day in profit. Times 30 days, it's $24,000. I don't know about you, but I just gave you a key that you didn't have to pay me any money for. Do you understand that? You're not paying me any money, and I just made you that much money. Now, if you want to be generous, you can always hit me up with a message, ask me for my PayPal account, and once you start making money, you can start sending some money my way as a nice gesture. I just did something that, who's going to do that for you? Who's going to tell you the name of a product that makes $35 profit per sale for free? You can go to some of the websites out there. You can go to the different websites where they sell courses, and how much are they charging? Several $1,000s. And you've got to watch hours and hours of training just to get a product out of it. And I just did it in less than 10 minutes. And there's many, many more videos that I can give you. What is the product? I'm not going to tell you. No, I'm going to tell you, okay? I told you I wasn't going to tell you. I told you I was going to tell you, and then so I am going to tell you the name of the product. And the product is called Hill's Science Diet Dog Food, okay? Which one? Any of them. Hill's Science Diet Dog Food, 35 pounds and up, okay? You don't want to be shipping this stuff to your house, but that's another option. Look, if you don't want to drop ship, if you don't like the drop shipping idea, find it on eBay for $40, then send it to the customer yourself for another $30, that's $70, and then you've got $15 profit. The first option where you're talking about a $35 profit margin is drop ship. If you don't want to drop ship, do it the old-fashioned way. Get all that dog food mailed to your house, okay? And then when you get the profit will be about $15 per bag. You're still making massive money. You're just shipping. With drop shipping, they're shipping directly to the customer. With seller fulfilled shipping, you're shipping it all out yourself. So if you got a big house, got a lot of room for dog food, do it yourself. But I'm telling you, this video can make you a lot of money. Make sure and subscribe. Make sure and click like. If you have any questions about the logistics of it, hit me up a message. I'll answer it. And stay tuned. Keep in touch for our next videos. Keep watching. Blessings to you and yours.